Well, hope for the new owners of the now empty Riviera Maia apartment complex is dwindling. The 13 ABCI team learning today that the offer from a Nebraska company to buy the place has been withdrawn. This coming as both owners of the group that own the complex appeared in court together today. I-Team reporter Sean Haggerty tried to get answers from them about how they let the place get to the point of being condemned. Sean, live downtown with the story tonight.
Yeah, silence today from Val and Sharon Sklarov as they appeared in Toledo Municipal Court. They said their names, and that was about it. Neither one taking responsibility for the conditions or the roughly 100 families that were forced from their homes. Rare occasion, Sharon and Val Sklarov in a Toledo courtroom together, answering the charges of letting the Riviera Maia get to the point where the city of Toledo shut it down. Tuesday's hearing started the process of trying to figure out who's responsible for the mess here and securing it. Neither one is taking responsibility. Both of them blame everything on the limited liability corporation that they set up that they say is actually the owner of the place. Anything you want to say to the people that live there? And these people were thrown out of their homes, ma'am. Val, anything you want to say to the people that live there? Nothing you want to say about the conditions? After court, more silence, not answering any of our questions, even as they're served with even more legal papers from another lawsuit from former residents.
No comments.
What would you want to say to the people there? Their lives have been uprooted because of your property. You don't want to say anything to them? Do you want to say anything to the people now that were run out of their homes? Nothing?
They probably have put themselves in a position where they may be forced into bankruptcy because of the obligations on that property.
Little comfort to people that were forced from their homes. Now, attorney Jerry Phillips says they feel terrible about the situation, something they didn't actually say out loud Tuesday. Anything you want to say about the conditions, how they got there, your responsibility? With the sale of the property off, there was a discussion of an auction today. That wouldn't happen until at least March, as was mentioned in court today. So that means many more months when that property will be left vacant. There is another court appearance for the two later in the month as they try to decide who exactly is responsible for the property, the two in court today or the company they created. Reporting live in downtown Toledo, Sean Haggerty, 13 ABC Action News.